This is the compasses as one of the tools for the Tactipad, and the compasses exists of two elements. One is the foot and one is the actual arm where the pen is connected to make the circles. The two elements can be disconnected, and the foot is actually a circle with two indents, and the diameter is nearly 6 centimeters. When I want to explain the shape, I rotate it in a sort of a vertical position, and then when I would explain this to a child, I would say this is the head, and that is the arrow in the middle. This is the nose, and that is a hole of 5 millimeters, which will hold the center of the compasses. Here in the bottom part of the circle is his mouth. Here on the left and right we have 2 eyes, and here we have 2 ears. On the bottom side of the foot there are 3 magnets and rubber feet to avoid slippery movements on the plastic foley. When you want to lift it, it's rather difficult to lift the whole foot, and that's why I explained to take one of his ears and you can simply lift the foot. I drew already a line here on the paper where I want to create a circle. First of all, I will do that on a straight line, and then the 2 eyes are indents in the sides, and when the indents are positioned so that the line is in the middle of these indents, the nose or the central hole is placed exactly on the position of the line. I can feel also in the middle part where there is an arrow shape around the hole in the middle, and when these the two side angles of the arrow point are on the line, it's also an indication that the center point is exactly on the line. When I move now to the crossing of the 2 lines, I'm using the arrow point to make sure the line is on the arrow is on the line, and the 2 eyes are seeing the vertical line through the middle. Now the middle point should be on the exact crossing point of the 2 lines. The other component is the arm, which is a joint, a ball joint, and it makes it possible that the arm of the compasses can rotate 360 degrees around circle, can move up and down, and also can slide to the side in about an angle of 20 degrees. The center will be placed in the hole in the compasses foot and will stand there on itself, and along the arm of the compasses there are rings that are not visible on this video, and there I can loosen this knurled bolt, and I can move the exact pen and fix it again, tighten it again, and in this way the circle can be drawn. I can hold one of my fingers on the center of the compasses, and now I can easily draw a circle